Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing of Boxycharm again. Since last week I got the April one, now I just got the May one. I had to wait a couple of days to do this video because I hurt my knee and I had to add stitches, so I couldn't really bend my elbow for a few days. But now it's getting better and I'm back doing videos. Actually today I'm filming 2 more videos, a recipe and my favorite of the month, so hopefully you'll see me more this week. So if you haven't seen last week's video, this is a monthly subscription and it's beauty products and makeup. If you want to subscribe too, you just go to their website. You have to fill a questionnaire and they ask you a lot of questions, and I'm not sure, but I think it's $25 a month or 21, but you can get the deluxe. I got the deluxe and it's $35 a month. So I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside, and let's go. So if you see me not bending this arm a lot, it's because I got stitches, I told you. So that's how it looks inside. Nice. And I was very happy with last month's box, so let's see how this one goes. So make wave. Here you have the paper where they describe all the products and tell you how much is the full price. So let's start with these Dose of Colors. So it's a liquid matte lipstick and the price is $18, and the color is Bittersweet, which looks like a red, which is perfect because that's my daughter Elizabeth, because as you can see is the color I use the most. Looks like very nice color to try it out. I'm definitely gonna use this. So because last week I got a lipstick too, but it was too dark for me. I don't use like dark lipstick, so this is a good color for me. Here we have a big box which is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It says this daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. The price is $28, so let's see how it's inside. The box is like, whoa, very colorful. So that's how it looks inside. Let's see if it's smell. It's not very strong, which is good. It smells like clean. Oh yeah, it says fragrance free on the box, which is perfect. And I have to try it out. Next we have this cream eyeshadow, and it's from, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I think Siate, I don't know, Siate London. So it says that metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage, lustre, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So it's probably very sparkly. The price is $22. Let's see how it is. The color is Cupid. Oh wow, it's very glittery. It looks like it's on a violet side, but very glittery. And last but not least, we have these Alamar is the brand, Colored Blush Trio. So these are a palette. I don't know how you say palette, I think. It's a little tape here. Oh, this is so cute. And there are 3 different blush. The 3 colors are Castaway, Paraiso, Scorcher. It's more like a pink in the middle, dark pink, peach, lighter peach, and darker peach. And there is a nice mirror here, which is perfect because I always need that. And it has a little metallic thing going on here, so you close it itself and that is not gonna open. And that's it. The box is empty, as you can see. Oh, I was missing one product. That's why I was like reading here. I couldn't find it. It was in the box, but being black, I got it confused with the box. So the last product is this eyeliner pencil, which is good because I really like eyeliner. It's a vegan, cruelty-free. The brand is Bodyography, I think. And the color is Midnight Blue, which I love blue. It's one of my favorite colors, as you can see here. So this pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. It sounds great. And again, that's for real this time. The box is empty, nothing else in it. and I really liked it. Again, I don't know if I guess they really follow the questionnaire that you fill, but I got things that I will use. If I have to say between the 5 items I got, the thing I like the most is probably the blush palette, because I really like those colors. But I think I will use the lipstick too a lot, because I love red lipstick. The thing I like the least is probably the eyeshadow. I mean, I don't go to that many crazy parties, and this is very glittery, so it's not really my thing, but you never know, maybe for some photos it'd be useful to have at home. So that's it for this unboxing. As always, if you liked the video, please leave a comment and a like, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and I'll see you very soon with a new video, and enjoy your day. Bye!